Regulation of respiration. Respiration is regulated by neural system. In brain's medulla, respiratory rhythm center is present, which is primarily responsible for the regulation of respiration. Adjacent to this rhythm center, chemosensitive area is present, which is sensitive towards carbon dioxide and hydrogen ions. If their concentration increases in the body, this area gets activated and modifies and alters the respiratory rhythm so that these can be eliminated out of the body. And in the pons of the brain, there is pneumotaxic center present, which is also responsible for the regulation of respiration by changing, altering and modifying the rhythm of the respiration. Disorders of respiratory system. The most common disorder is asthma, which is difficulty in breathing due to inflammation of bronchi and bronchioles. It also causes wheezing. Emphysema. This is a chronic disorder majorly caused by smoking cigarette. In this, the alveolar wall is damaged, thus decreasing the respiratory surface area. Next is occupational respiratory disorder. In industries which involves grinding and stone breaking, lots of dust is present, which leads to fibrosis, that is proliferation of fibrous tissue, thus causing inflammation and difficulty in breathing. That's why workers in this industry wears protective masks.